PENTHO, a fully CNC-controlled single-end tensioner with a cutoff saw and one vertical stacking spindle, is able to cope and size all kind of kitchen rails and stiles who are surfaced to final height and width. The way the table is built, the operator can work with two pieces at the same time. The automatic length fence allows the operator to size each individual piece during production. So you no longer need an accurate sawing machine. This is all done in the PENTHO. What comes off will be sized right. The PENTHO can easily switch over to another job to size the stiles without coping. This allows the operator to cope and size corresponding rails and stiles at one time. The automatic table will adapt the speed based on the selected program and will change the speed for sawing, coping, and traveling. Again, the automatic length fence will install to the requested length. Under an angle of 90 degrees, we have the PROFIL, a molder with one vertical stacking spindle which can stick all kind of rails and stiles profiles. The PROFIL is as well fully CNC controlled. A belt-driven feeding device will transport all parts in feed-through mode through the machine. Based on the tooling solution, ripped wood can be sized in width. The outfeed unit will offer the parts to the operator after sticking. In a short time, you've produced a complete-sized kitchen frame. This PROFIL molder allows the customer to decrease the stock with lengths of pre-profiled wood. Now he can cut and size, cope and stick on demand. To change over to another profile type, the operator can easily select another job on the touch panel. The 300mm spindles mounted in the PENTHO and the PROFIL can wear stacking tools so the operator can produce up to 9 different profile types without tool change. All this is happening during the time all motors are running at full speed. The tools are touching the wood only one time, as the vertical spindle will retract and will come forward into position to cope the pieces after sawing. This is to achieve the highest possible accurate rail. The lifetime of the knives will increase strongly by this way of production. The PENTHO and the PROFIL can be operated at the same time by one person to reach production capacity of 400 to 800 doors in an 8-hour shift. After selecting the requested job, the operator can enter the sized and coped parts into the PROFIL molder. This way of working allows the operator to produce door by door or series by series of rails and stiles. In a time of less than 20 seconds, both machines are switched over to another profile like ogi, bead, or shaker. Both the PENTHO and the PROFIL molder are developed in a way they can cover the whole range. Parts of 4-inch length can be coped and sticked. In the tensioner, a special pneumatic clamping device holds parts between 0.6 inches and 1.25 inches high accurately against the backing wood to avoid tear-out. The safety curtain will follow the table movement and will provide the security the operator needs. On the molder side, the infeed unit will push each individual part against the outside fence before the part enters the main belt. Lengths up to 100 inches can be sized and coped on the PENTHO. After selecting the job and corresponding length, the machine will install itself. During installation, the blue light will flash to seek attention of the operator that the machine is installing. The CNC outside fence allows the operator to change over in a short time between parts of different widths in an automatic mode. The part length is less important. When the infeed unit has pushed the part against the fence and the part is under the main belt, the infeed unit will retract. Widths between 1.5 inches and 9 inches can be produced on both machines without any manual manipulation. With the Vertonghen kitchen cell, you'll achieve a strong improvement to your production. No longer mechanical adjustment on several machines. No longer inaccurate finished parts. The work cell can cover the whole range where you now need several machines, operated by one single person.